Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you a white Foxy eye makeup look. I wanted to use white eyeliner because I'm not even sure if I've ever used white eyeliner on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to do a Foxy inspired version because I know you all love a Foxy eye look. Now before I go in with any products, I am first going to prime the eyelids and I'm taking the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. This is my favorite primer. If you have watched my videos, you know I always use this on my YouTube channel. I do have to mention my eyelids are quite dry at the moment. I think I have like eczema, I'm not sure how you pronounce it in English, but I have some situations going on with my eyes. So if you have any tips on how to get rid of that, let me know. But yeah, this has been my favorite primer for a really long time. It removes the redness from the eyelid. It will make sure that my eyeshadow is gonna stay flawless all day. And it will leave me with a nice blank space for all the eyeshadows that I'm gonna apply. So now I went in with a little bit of light powder to kind of lock the eyeshadow primer in place. I used the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Powder in the color 01, or it's just called 1, I'm not quite sure. But it's their lightest powder and I'm just kind of blending and pressing it all over the eyelid to make sure that everything is set. So now I'm gonna go in with this color called Comfort Zone from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe No. 2 palette. I'm gonna use this shade and blend this all over in my crease. I'm not gonna do anything spectacular with my eyelids at all. Like the focus is gonna be on the white eyeliner, but I don't really like to not apply anything on the crease or like that, so I decided to just warm it up using this shade. And in today's video I'm gonna try to show you guys as much of the blending as possible, so I'm gonna put a little bit of music underneath, and hopefully by seeing me blend and just the whole process, it's gonna be easier for you guys to recreate this. So now after blending, I'm gonna go in with this liquid liner from Colourpop in a white shade, and I'm gonna apply this above the lash line. And if you look really closely to my eyelid, you can see that dry patch in my crease. That's what I was talking about. I think I have some kind of eczema or allergy. Something is going on with my eyelids. Today I also filmed another video and the same thing happened, which is so annoying. So I decided to switch eyes and film the other eye up close so you couldn't really see it. But like, why is this happening to me? Like, I'm the person that films eye makeup looks, and of course I'm getting something on my eye, which makes it so much harder for me to film these videos. But yeah, I know we all have blemishes, pores, and whatever not. So I'm not really ashamed of it, but it is annoying, especially if you film so close up, you can see everything. But yeah, like I said earlier, if you have any tips, definitely let me know. So first, I created that line above the lash line, and now I'm gonna focus on creating the wing. So I'm kind of dragging a line from the outer portion of my eyelid towards my brow end. So I'm not gonna drag it all the way towards my brow, but I'm kind of just following the line of the end of my brow, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna connect it, and this is gonna make that a wing, and then I'm gonna fill it in. This was the first time for me trying this specific liquid liner from Colourpop in this white shade, and I really liked it. I think when it comes to white eyeliner, you just don't want to use too much because it can kind of start to look chalky. But I was really surprised it didn't happen with this eyeliner. Now I only used one coat, but yeah, I was really impressed. I really like Colourpop. I feel like they have such amazing products, so inexpensive. I am really liking this brand. So now I'm gonna focus on the pointy inner corner. So I have done this before with my other Foxy eye looks. I will link some down in the description bar in case you want to see some Foxy eye looks where I just use black eyeliner instead. But yeah, I try to kind of work a little bit more precise because I want the line to be really sharp. And then I also decided to go in with white pencil in the waterline. Now this is totally optional. I do feel like this makes the whole eye look a little bit more, maybe less wearable, even though that obviously depends on everyone. Like some people wouldn't think it that way, and some people would think it's too dramatic. So it's, I think, a personal preference. But if you think the white liner is a little bit too much, of course you can just skip the white liner in a waterline and go for nothing or for a brown pencil. It's totally up to you. You don't have to do all the steps that I'm doing. Of course, you can totally give your own twist to it. So now I'm gonna go in with this mascara, which is by Lancome. Such a beautiful mascara. I actually received it in the PR, I think a week ago or so. And yeah, I really like this mascara. I think I also used it in my previous video, so I wanted to use it again because I just really like it. So I'm gonna apply a coat on the upper lashes and on the lower lashes as well. I am going in with fake lashes, so whenever I do wear fake lashes, I'm not too focused on making it look good because the fake lashes are gonna cover it up anyway. But I do always try to make them nicely separated and also to make sure that they look really black and everything is covered. So of course I'm gonna do the same thing with my lower lashes. I know some people actually don't wear mascara on their lower lashes. I always do. I feel really naked without it, but let me know if you do. I'm really curious to know. So now I'm going in with some fake lashes, and I use lashes from, I believe they're from Ardell, but I will make sure to put these in the description bar. These are actually really pretty, kind of like natural wispy lashes. I think they're really pretty, and I think they go really well with today's eye look. They're not too dramatic, but they're also not too natural. Just, you know, the right amount of wispiness. I really like it. So I'm just applying them using a tweezer and also my hands in between, kind of like pressing them against my skin. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let me know if you're gonna try it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.